Dear student, today is the second part of lesson number chapter number 2. There is linear equation in one variable. In the last part 1 we have discussed about the linear equation in one variable, what is linear equation and a linear equation in one variable, and the solution of linear equation, and what are the rules how to find out solving a linear equation. And we have discussed about solving linear equation having variables on both sides by using the transposition method. So today also we are going to discuss about, in this part 2 we are going to discuss about the variables on the both side, how to solve the linear equation having variable on the both side by using the transposition method. So then let's see the rules. There are a few rules that we have to remember while solving this problem. First, this is the method. In this method, the variable terms are always transposed to the left hand side and the numeral to the right hand side. In the last class also we have discussed this. And we should always remember to change the signs one while transposing from one side to the others. Okay. Then this is a step number 1. Identify the variable terms and numeral. We have to identify the terms and the variables. Which one is a numeral term? Oh, sorry. Which one is a constant and which one is a variable terms? Simplify the left hand side and right. We have to simplify it again. Transpose the variable term to the left hand side, and the numeral to the right hand side. We have to transfer the variable to in the left hand side and the constant term, that is numeral, to the right hand side. Simplifying the transport left hand side and right hand side and reduce its side to the single term. We have to reduce both the left hand side and the right hand side into the single terms. Divide the both side by coefficient of the variable on the left hand side, and then we have to divide this both side by the coefficient of the left hand side. This is a rule that we have to discuss now. So student, let's see few examples about how to solve when there is a variable on the both side. Now we have to solve the example variables on the both side. When there is a variable on the both side, how will you solve the answer? Let's see. Now example number 1. In example number 1, solve 3x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 25. We have to find out the variable x, solution of variable x, and we have to check the solution whether the answer is correct or not, whether the solution of x is correct or not. We have to check the solution. Now first what we have to do is this is a solution. 3x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 25. Now in this case there are two variables, one is 3x and one is 6x. So according to the rules, all the variables should be transposed to the left hand side, and all the constant, that means the numerals, should be transposed to the right hand side. So now we are going to transpose 3x minus 6x, 3 by 25. If you go this side, if you transpose 6 by 5 in the right hand side, this sign is plus, now it become minus. Yes, in the bracket, transposing 6x to left hand side and 6 by 5 to right hand side. Now then we have to subtract this to 3x and the 6x. Now the left hand side is minus 3x. Now in this case, this is a two fractions, so both denominator are not same, so we have to take the LCM of 25 and 5 is equal to 25. Now LCM is 25. When you divide 25 you will get 1. Answer will be 3. When you divide 5 by 25, that is 5. So if you multiply with 6, the answer will be 30. Here comes minus 3x. 30 minus, 3x, 3 minus 30, that means minus 27. The answer minus 27. Minus 27 by 25. Now again, what we have to do? Now in this case, we have to consider about again another method, that is systematic method. Okay, so in the systematic method, what we have to do is that we have to divide both sides by 3. Now comes both sides by minus 3. Here comes divided by minus 3. Here you have to write dividing both sides by minus 3. This is again systematic method. Okay, here come minus 3 will cancel. Minus 27 by 25. If we take the reciprocal, it will come 1 by minus 3. This will be 9. Minus minus. Your answer will be x equal to 9 by 25. The solution of this equation is the value of x is equal to 9 by 25. Understand? Then now again, what we have to do is we have to check the question. We have to check whether the value of variable, this one, x equal to 9 by 25 is a perfect solution for the given equation or not. Understand? Let's see this. Let's see the checking. Putting value of x 9 by 25 in both sides. That is left hand side and right hand side. In the left hand side, what is the answer? Question 3x plus 6 by 25. And in the right hand side, 6x plus 3 by 25. We have to replace 3 into 9 by 25 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 6 into 9 by 25 plus 3 by 25. Here in this case, 27 by 25 plus 6 by 5. Here comes 54 by 25 plus 3 by 25. The LCM of this side is 25. 27 plus 30. In this side, both the denominator are same, so 25. 54 plus 3. Here the answer comes. You have to add both. Numerators. Answer comes 57 by 25. Here in this case also 57 by 25. That means that left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that so the x equal to 9 by 25 is the solution of given equation. We can write like this. This is the example for when both sides have the variables. When both sides have the variables, you have to find the solution in this way. So after finding the value of x, again if you check whether your solution of the variable x is correct or wrong, right or wrong. If you check, then you will get the right answer. It means that when left hand side and right hand side are equal, that means that your variable x solution of variable x is correct. Then your answer is correct. If it is not equal to, then your answer is wrong. Understand? So let's see another example again. This is a second example. Let's consider how to solve this, how to find out the value of x. This is a solution. Here comes, this one is a left hand side and this one is a right hand side. First we have to complete the bracket. Here comes 2 3x plus 1 bracket close minus 5x is equal to 7 by 2 minus 2 by 2x plus 3x. Sorry, 7. There are 3 variables, okay? Let's see. If you multiply this 2 and 3x, you will get 6x plus 2 minus 5x. Here comes 7 by 2 minus, if you multiply this 2 and the minus 2x, your answer will get, you will get 4x. You minus, if you multiply with 7 minus plus minus, the answer will be 14. This is how we have expanded the numbers. So here comes variable, here comes variables, here comes variables. So we have to transfer all the variables and a constant in their left hand side and right hand side. Here comes you transfer all the variable in the left hand side and all the numerator in the right hand side. 6x minus 5x. Now this 4x will be transferred to the left hand side. This sign is minus, so when you come this side it will be plus. Again 7 by 2 will remain, minus 14 will be remain. This 2 is a numerator, so if you transfer in the right hand side, the sign is plus, the answer will, the sign will change to the minus. Here comes 6x and the 5x is only x plus 4x. Here comes, we have to take the LCM. The LCM of 2 is 2. If you divide 2, then this will be 7. Here comes 28. Here comes 4. Here comes, if you plus these two, your answer will get, you will get 5x equal to, here comes 20 minus 25 by 2. Therefore, value of x equal to minus 25 divided by 5. Then minus 25 by 2 into, if you take the reciprocal, you will get like this. So you can divide this. Your answer is minus 5 by 2. The solution of this given equation is minus 5 by 2 will be the solution. Understand? This is a second example when there is a variable on the both side. Let's see the another example which include the decimal point. This question is from the Ncert textbook, and from exercise 2.5, question number 10. Okay, so let's find out the variable x, variable f, and where to find the where to check the solution. In the Ncert textbook there is no checking, but here we have to check. Understand? So we'll start. Solution: 0.25 bracket 4f minus 3 bracket close, 0.05 bracket 10f minus 9 bracket close. So here comes, you have to multiply 0.25 into 4.5. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 into 0.25. You have to multiply both in the inside the bracket. So 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Now comes, what is the answer? Here comes 1.0f minus, here comes 0.75 equal to, in the right hand side comes 0.5f minus, here comes 0.45. Then here is variable, here is variable. So variable will be transferred to the this side. Your answer will get, you will get 0.f plus, you come this side, minus f equal to minus 0.45. This will go to the right hand side, it will become plus. Here if you minus 0.5 from 1, you will get 0.5f. Here comes minus 0.45 plus 0.75. plus minus, the sign is minus. Minus is greater than positive sign, so you will do minus. We will calculate minus 0, 3. What about the sign? According to the sign, according to digit, digit is greater than digit is greater. That is why the minus sign will be not here. So we can easily find out the variable f by 0.5. What will you answer? Here comes. I forgot to put 0 point before 30. Okay. Then if you divide these two, what will be the answer? 0.6. Then the value of f, that is variable f, is solution of this equation is f by f equal to 0.6. Now the answer is we need to check. Now we have to check again. Checking. Even in the checking, if we got both side, both left hand side and right hand side are equal, then we can say that the variable f is equal to 0.6 is a solution of this equation. Okay, putting the value of f is equal to 0.6 in the both side. This one is the left hand side. Left hand side is 0.25 for f3. In the right hand side, 0.05 inside the bracket 10f minus 9. So we have to change the value of f here. 0.25 into 4 into 0.6 minus 3. In the right hand side, 0.05 10 into 0.6 minus 9. Now comes 0.25. If you subtract these two, if you multiply, the answer will 2.5 minus 3, 2.4. So in this side 0.05, if you multiply 10 into 0.6, your answer you will get 6 minus 9. Here comes 0.25 into, what will be the answer? 0.6 is equal to 0.05 into minus 3. Here's come minus. Okay, minus 0.6. So if you multiply 0.25 and 0.6, what will be the result? If you multiply these two, your answer will come 0.15. In this side also, if you multiply by this, you will get minus 0.15. Here comes left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, hence, so f equal to 0.6 is the solution of the given equation. So in this way we can find out about when there is two variable on equation. That means in the both side we can find out in this rules, in this method, and we can check whether if it is in the question, if it is checking for a solution is there, then you have to check. If this not asking, then you have to leave it. You have to find out only the solution of the given equation, right? So we'll continue the next part, the last part of this chapter. That is solving the equation reducible to the linear form, that is in form of cross multiplication. How will you do? Let's see. Here, let there be an equation in form of px plus q divided by rx plus t is equal to L by m. First, convert the equation. This is the equation, okay? This is the equation. First, convert the equation to the linear form by method of cross multiplication. First, we have to convert the equation to linear form by method of cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means, here comes, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. This is the left hand side and the right hand side. If you want the cross multiplication means the right hand side denominator will multiply the left hand side denominator. Sorry. The right hand side denominator will multiply the left hand side numerator, and the right hand side numerator will multiply the left hand side denominator. This is in the form of linear form. Okay, and this is in form of the cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, we find we find a linear form. So then we can find out the solution of the given solution of the given equation. Okay, when we multiply the numerator on the left side with the denominator on the right side and vice versa, the equated the two product, it is known as cross multiplication. This is the last part of this chapter number 2. How to find how to solve the equation is, first you have to form the linear form by means of cross multiplication, and then after that you have to find the solution of the given equation. Okay, let's see the example. This is the cross multiplication method. We have to find out by using the cross multiplication method. This is the equation. Okay, first what we have to do is we have to multiply numerator of the left hand side and the denominator of the right hand side, and again denominator of the left hand side with the numerator of the right hand side. Okay, let's do 2x minus 1, 5x minus 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Here comes 3 2x minus 1 bracket 4 5x minus 3. This is cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, understand? Then this is in form of this is in a linear form, so we can find out the solution of this equation. Now you multiply 3 with the numbers inside the bracket. So 3 into 2x is equal to 6x minus 3. This side also 4 into 5x, 20x minus 3. Here comes we have to transport left hand side variable to the left hand side and the constant to the right hand side. Now come 6x. If you transfer 20x in the right hand side, left hand side, it will come 20x minus 20x minus 3. If you go this side, plus 3, this is minus 12. Okay, here comes minus 12. If you transfer this side, it will come plus 3 because here is minus. Okay, the variable side will be minus 14x is equal to, here comes plus minus 9. Here comes x equal to minus 9 by minus 14. You can remove minus, then the value is equal to, sorry, not x, 9 by 14. The solution of this equation is equal to 9 by 14. This is by using the cross multiplication method we are finding the solution of this equation. First, what in this method we have to change the equation into linear form, and then we have to find out the variable x for the solution of this equation. So let's see another example again. This is the second example. So let's discuss the second example by using the cross multiplication method. Okay, this is a question for second example solution. Here comes 1x plus 2 plus 1x plus 3. This is in the left hand side, and this is 2 by x plus 9. This is in the right hand side. So here in this case we have to take the LCM of both numerator in the left hand side. X plus 2, x plus 3. Here comes, if you divide here, it will remain x plus 3, x plus 3, plus here again if you divide, x plus 2 will be remain. In this side 2 by x plus 9. Then here we have to cross multiplication. Here come cross multiplication. If you cross multiplication, sorry, before cross multiplication we have to add up this all. So if you add this 2, if you add, you will get, your answer will be, if you open the bracket, you will get x plus 3 plus x plus 2. Here in the denominator, so x plus 2 plus, here come, this will be the plus, okay. In the denominator, here is a multiplication, okay. So x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 9. Here comes 2x plus 5 by, in the denominator, x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 2 by x plus 9. Now cross multiplication. You will cross multiplication by denominator and the denominator of right hand side and left hand side, and numerators and the denominators of right hand side and left hand side. Let's see. X plus 9 into 2x plus 5, and here 2 multiplied by 2x plus 2, 3x plus 3. Here come x will multiply this 2x, then you will get 2x square. If you multiply with this x plus 5, you will get 5x. And again, you multiply with this, your answer will be 18x. You multiply 5 and up 9, you will get 45. Here again, in the right hand side, you will get, if you multiply with, now in the right hand side, you will get, here comes 2x plus 5x plus 6. If you multiply these two, okay. Here come again, in the left hand side, you will get 2x square plus these two, 15 and the 5 and the 8, 18x and the 5x, you will get 23x plus 45. Here in this side, you multiply with this 2 with the inside the bracket, 2x square plus 10x plus 12. Understand? Then here comes, we need to transfer all the variables to the left hand side and all the constant to the right hand side. 2x square minus 2x square plus 23x. This 2x will be transferred to this side. This plus, it will become minus 2x minus 2x square. Minus come this side, 10x. Then 12x, you transfer 45 this side, it will be the minus. 2x plus 2x minus and 2x plus can be omit. So here come 23x minus 10x. In this side, if you will get 33. Here comes 13x is equal to minus 33. If you find the value of x equal to minus 33 by 13. The required solution is minus 33 by 30. So minus 33 by 13 is a required solution of this given equation. In this way, we can find out the cross multiplication method. Why we are using cross multiplication method in this equation? Because first we need to form the equation to linear form. Then we have to find the equation of this solution. Understand? So let's see again a few application of this means problem solving. Let's see few examples for problem solving by using these methods. Here comes application of linear equation. That is what problem? Okay, the sum of two numbers is 50 if the numbers are in a ratio of 2 by 3. Find the numbers. Let's see in this case, solution. In the solution, we have to let one number be x. One of the number will be the x. And the second one is sum of two numbers. The sum of the two number is what? 50. Is this given in the question? And again, so the other one, if you want to find out the other one, other number is equal to 50 minus x, the other number. If you want to find out the other number, that will be 50 minus x. Now x by 50 minus x is equal to what? 2:3. This is the equation. This is the equation of this given question. Okay. Now in this case, what we have to do is we have to use by using cross multiplication. By using cross multiplication, we have 3x is equal to 250 minus x, right? By using the cross multiplication, then your answer will be 3x is equal to 100 minus 2x. The variable x will go this side, will transfer 2 plus x. 100 will remain the right hand side. Then here comes 5x equal to 100. The value of x is equal to 100 by 5. What is the answer? 20. The value of the x is equal to 20. Then now the two numbers. So the two numbers. That is x is equal to two number. That is r 20 and 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. The two numbers are 30 and 20. That means that 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Okay. In this way, we have to find out the answer by using the cross multiplication. So let's see another example again for this linear application in linear equation. This will be the last question for the applications of linear equation. Okay, let's see. 5 years ago, Sikha was 3 years old as Henry. 5 years ago, Sikha was thrice as old as Henry. Okay. 10 years later, after the 10 years, Sikha will be twice as old as Honey. There are two names are there. Honey. Okay. How old are they now? This will be not Henry. This will be Honey. 5 years ago, Sikha was thrice as old as Honey. After 10 years again, Sikha will be twice as old as Honey. How old are they now? Let's find out according to this question. Okay, let's set up the equation. The first one is Honey is 5 years ago. What will be the age of the honey 5 years ago? That will be x year. We have to take the age of the honey 5 years ago, that is x. Okay. Then the second one is Sikha. Sikha is 5 years ago. What will the age of Sikha 5 years ago? That is thrice. 3x years. And again, honey present s. What will the honey present s? Present s of the honey. Present s of the honey will be x plus 5 years. And again, present s of the Sikha. Sikha's present s will be what? 3x plus 5 years. Honey age is 5 years ago, that is x. Okay, Sikha is 5 years ago, that is 3x. present age of honey is x plus 5 and the present age of cica is 3x plus 5. Now honey is 10 years later. After 10 years, what will be the age of the honey? X plus 5 plus 10. That is x plus 15 years. Age of the honey after the 10 years later. What will be cica again? Age of cica is twice. Let's see. Age of cica 10 years later. Three x plus 5 plus 10 after the 10 years. Here comes 3x equal to 3x plus 15 years. Now according to the question, we have 3x plus 15 is equal to twice of x plus 15. Here we have to calculate. Here comes. Now if we are getting the equation, so we are going to solve the solution. 3x plus 15. Here comes 2x plus 30. Transport this one, minus 2x. Here comes 30 minus 15. X equal to how much? 15. Therefore x equal to 15. The age of cica honey is what? How much? Let's see. The value of x is 15. So the present age, where is the present age? Present age of the honey. We have to find out the present age. Here comes. Therefore honey present age. Honey's present age is equal to x plus what? 5 years. X plus 5 is 15 plus 5 years. Answer is 20 years. Present age of the honey is 20. Then again, present age of cica. Cica present age. Present age of cica is 3x plus how much? 5. Now you put the value of x, 3 into how much? 15 plus 5. How much come? 45 plus 5. The answer is 50 years. Age of the cica is 50 and age of the honey is 10 years. In this way we can find out from the statement, equation and solution. This is a statement. Then from the statement we form again equation, and then we find again the solution of the given equation. That is the application. These are all applications of equation or linear equation. So in the linear equation, application of linear equation, first we have to find out the equation. Then we have to solve the we have to find out the solution of the given equation. So dear student, this is the last question for this chapter number 2. So the next chapter will be the chapter number 3. That is chapter number 3. That is understanding quadrilateral. So let's see what is understanding quadrilateral in the next session again. Thank you for watching my YouTube class. Let's see you on the next session again for the lesson number 3. Thank you.